Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very special guest and we are going to be making a DIY bath bomb. This is Adriana from MC Square Project, and with the doll comes this ball to make the bath bombs and also the teaspoon and tablespoons, and also a recipe for the bath bombs. Let's try to make it. Half a cup of baking soda, and now a quarter cup of citric acid, fourth of cup of Epsom salt. Now we are mixing it with the hand. So soft. Wow. I'm going to add sweet orange essential oil, just a couple of drops. Now I'm going to put the baking sprinkles here and right there. Now I'm going to add some water so it sticks like sand. But be careful, if you put too much amount of water, it won't really stick together. Now I'm going to add a mystery toy inside. Now let's see if I will get an actual bath bomb. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open! What do you guys think? Does it look good? Wow. So that was pretty good. Awesome. So there's some purple over here, it's getting a little blue over here, and it's getting a little darker. Black. Black as night. Wow. Looks kind of like galaxy. I think this experiment went very well. I liked it, and the surprise toy was so much fun. Especially if I gave it to my friend as a gift, it would be so much fun to find the toy inside. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Bye!